Okay, so this task is for rearranging the UX for the Braindump task. So on this screen, basically there is an app where users can perform different types of tasks, and one of them is called Braindump. So you have Illuminate here on the screen, you have Decode, you just swipe, you get to Braindump 2. This is the one that we have set up for testing. Click on the task, and you have two ways that you can kind of get into this group or task. So you have either join a group by clicking on any of these three cards, or you can create one at the bottom. So in this case, I'm gonna just join one. I'll click on one of the tasks like this to actually start it. So you can actually chat, but for the purpose of this task is about starting it. So I'll start a task like this. So on this page you can see it's a black screen, there's a story title in the middle, and then there's this zooming in and out, there's a camera on the left, and then there's a gallery on the right. So I can click on this camera, that then opens up and then like submits a picture like this. Press OK. So the problem with this workflow is that it's a bit weird. It's not like the normal way of doing shots and videos. So like some of the other apps, like where we take a video, we take an image, then you have the option to enhance it. So this is kind of like everything in one, which may not be funny, but the way that it will be quite funny, because what we wanted to do was to the very first part of this screen should be the camera already, and then once you snap the camera or record a video, then the options for enhancing comes up. So there's basically there are two stages. So stage 1 is when you take a picture, and then stage 2 is when you enhance it. So instead of showing everything on one page, it's going to be the very first part of the screen is just simply a camera or video or gallery. So after I snap the picture, then the other options for all this zooming in, keying in the text and stuff, and changing the colors will then show up. Then I click on submit. So basically we are just splitting this flow from just 1 to 2. And yes, to finish this, you just click on submit. And then once this is submitted, you can see that this will then create everything and create an image. When I go back, it will show that the image has been created like this. So that's how our Braindump works.